Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a game-changer in various industries, and its impact on the future of user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design is profound. By leveraging AI technologies, designers can revolutionize how users interact with digital products, creating highly personalized, intuitive, and engaging experiences. In this article, we will delve into the transformative potential of AI in shaping the future of UX and UI, exploring its key applications, benefits, and the challenges it brings. Hyper-personalization. AI empowers UX and UI designers to deliver hyper-personalized experiences by harnessing user data and machine learning algorithms. Through data analysis, AI can understand individual preferences, behaviors, and contexts, allowing for tailored interfaces and recommendations. Personalized UX and UI design enhances user satisfaction, engagement, and conversion rates, creating a unique and delightful experience for each user. Natural language processing and conversational interfaces. Advancements in natural language processing, NLP, have led to the rise of conversational interfaces powered by AI. Chatbots and voice assistants have become increasingly sophisticated in understanding and responding to user queries, providing real-time support and enabling hands-free interactions. Conversational interfaces offer intuitive and human-like interactions, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. They streamline user journeys, improve efficiency, and redefine the way users interact with digital interfaces. Intelligent automation. AI-driven automation has the potential to streamline and enhance the UX and UI design process. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, such as generating design variations, conducting usability tests, and prototyping. This enables designers to focus on strategic aspects of design, fostering creativity and innovation. By automating time-consuming processes, AI reduces design cycles, accelerates product development, and allows for faster iterations. Predictive analytics and anticipatory design. AI enables predictive analytics by analyzing user behavior patterns and historical data. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, designers can anticipate user needs and actions, allowing for anticipatory design. AI can predict user preferences, suggest relevant content, and even adapt UI elements based on user behavior. Anticipatory design enhances usability, reduces cognitive load, and improves overall user satisfaction by providing users with what they need before they even realize it. Emotion and sentiment analysis. Understanding user emotions and sentiments is crucial for creating impactful UX and UI designs. AI-powered emotion and sentiment analysis algorithms can analyze user feedback, social media posts, and other data sources to gauge user sentiment accurately. By incorporating emotional intelligence into design, designers can create emotionally resonant experiences that connect with users on a deeper level, resulting in increased engagement and brand loyalty. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI presents immense opportunities for UX and UI design, it also poses challenges and ethical considerations. Privacy and data security are paramount concerns when handling vast amounts of user data. Transparency, consent, and responsible data practices are crucial for maintaining user trust. Designers must also address biases in AI algorithms to ensure fair and inclusive experiences. Ethical AI practices, such as explainability and accountability, should be integrated into the design process to mitigate potential risks. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is transforming the future of UX and UI design, enabling highly personalized experiences, conversational interfaces, and intelligent automation. By leveraging AI technologies, designers can create user-centric designs that adapt to individual needs, enhance usability, and foster emotional connections with users. However, it is essential to navigate the challenges and ethical considerations associated with AI integration to ensure responsible and inclusive design practices. As AI continues to advance, the future of UX and UI holds immense potential for creating seamless, intuitive, and delightful user experiences.